besuche. Und momentan ist es halt so, also ich sag diese ganzen Unruhen und Demonstrationen.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Singapore Airlines, members of Star Alliance and co-share partners. Welcome to Singapore Airlines, Flight SQ966 to Jakarta. Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. SQ966 will be boarding shortly. Boarding will be by class of travel and seat row numbers. Please board the aircraft only when your class or your seat row numbers are announced. We would like to remind all customers to have your boarding pass available for verification by our crew as you board the aircraft. Thank you.
Sehen, dass diese Demonstrantenkollegen, die haben auch in einigen Häfen die Zollbehörden gesetzt.
Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to invite customers traveling first class to board the aircraft now or at your convenience. Thank you.
Gezielt darauf ausgerichtet, dass die Mehrheit des Landes jetzt hinter diesen Demonstranten steht.
We would now like to invite business class customers and Singapore Airlines PPS Club members to board the aircraft now. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for waiting. We would like to invite KrisFlyer Elite Gold and Star Alliance Gold Card members to board the aircraft now. Thank you.
Und dass sie halt dann eventuell nicht mehr ausreisen können für unbestimmte Zeit.
We now invite families traveling with young children and our elderly customers to board the aircraft. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. Please note that all hand luggage that cannot be securely stored in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you will need to be checked in now. You are also reminded to take care of your personal belongings and valuables at all times. Thank you.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, selamat datang di penerbangan Singapore Airlines. Mohon perhatian bahwa semua bagasi tangan Anda yang tidak dapat disimpan di kompartemen atas atau di bawah kursi di hadapan Anda harus dimasukkan ke dalam kargo sekarang. Anda juga diingatkan untuk menjaga barang-barang pribadi Anda setiap saat. Terima kasih.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Captain speaking. My name is Siva, and on behalf of Singapore Airlines and the rest of the cabin crew, I'd like to extend you a very warm welcome on board this flight, Singapore 966, from Singapore to Jakarta. We are just receiving our traffic clearance now, and we'll be on our way very shortly. Flight time today is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Progress of the flight is available on your in-flight entertainment system. We do anticipate some turbulence during the course of the flight, and as such, in the interest of your safety, please remain seated as far as possible, and when you're seated, please keep your seatbelts securely fastened. Also observe the fasten seatbelt signs whenever they are switched on. In the cabin, in charge of the rest of the crew is in-flight supervisor Mr. Harjit Singh, and with me in the flight deck today is Senior First Officer Tim Lim and Second Officer Dave Low. I will update you on the arrival time before we commence our descent, as well as weather. I leave you now in the very good hands of Mr. Harjit Singh and the rest of the cabin staff. Thank you very much for choosing to fly with us. Please sit back, relax, and wish you a pleasant flight. As a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, when asked to do so, please ensure your mobile phones are switched off. They will interfere with our in-flight navigation systems. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines flight SQ966 to Jakarta. Our KrisWorld Entertainment System will soon be available. Please refer to the KrisWorld magazine in your seat pocket for this month's selection. For the duty-free shopping, please use the sales request coupons found in the KrisShop catalog located in your seat pocket. For this month, enjoy a 10% discount on selected products. In addition, receive a $10 discount voucher for your next in-flight purchase and a KrisShop Red Packet gift set when you spend $188 net in a single receipt. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Selamat malam para penumpang yang terhormat. Selamat datang di penerbangan SQ966 ke Jakarta. Sistem hiburan KrisWorld kami akan tersedia sesaat lagi. Penjualan bebas bea juga tersedia dalam penerbangan ini. Kami persilakan Anda menggunakan kupon pemesanan yang terdapat di dalam katalog KrisShop yang terdapat di dalam saku kursi Anda. Untuk bulan ini, Anda bisa mendapatkan potongan harga sebesar 10% atas produk-produk tertentu. Juga voucher sebesar $10 Singapura untuk pembelanjaan berikutnya dan bingkisan amplop KrisShop setiap pembelanjaan sebesar $188 Singapura. Informasi selanjutnya terdapat dalam majalah Silver Chris. Semoga Anda menikmati penerbangan ini. Terima kasih.
Cabin crew, all doors are closed. Ladies and gentlemen, mobile phone and other portable electronic devices can cause interference with our aircraft navigational systems. They must now be in flight safe mode with Wi-Fi disabled and then turned off. Please be reminded that smoking is not allowed in the aircraft at all times. Thank you.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, telepon genggam dan peralatan elektronik portable lainnya dapat mengganggu sistem navigasi penerbangan ini. Peralatan tersebut harus dimasukkan ke dalam modus penerbangan dengan Wi-Fi tidak aktif kemudian dimatikan. Kami ingatkan bahwa merokok dilarang di dalam pesawat. Terima kasih.
Cabin crew, arm doors and cross-check. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, it is important to pay attention to the video which will now be shown. Thank you.
Stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Thank you.
Penumpang yang terhormat, silakan pastikan bahwa sabuk pengaman Anda telah dipasangkan dengan benar dan penutup jendela telah dinaikkan. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been turned off. For your safety, always keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Please be advised that whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on, toilets should not be used, and you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Infants have to be carried out from the bassinets and secured with infant seatbelts. If you are using a blanket, do fasten your seatbelt over your blanket. We apologize that we are unable to serve hot beverages whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on. Electronic devices may now be used in flight safe mode with Wi-Fi disabled. Thank you.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, lampu tanda sabuk pengaman telah dipadamkan. Demi keselamatan Anda diminta untuk tetap mengenakan sabuk pengaman selama duduk di kursi Anda. Kami mohon perhatian Anda, kamar kecil tidak boleh digunakan jika tanda sabuk pengaman dinyalakan, dan Anda harus kembali ke tempat duduk. Para ibu harap pindahkan bayi Anda dari keranjang bayi, dan bayi Anda diharuskan untuk mengenakan sabuk pengaman bayi. Bagi Anda yang berselimut, mohon memakai sabuk pengaman Anda di luar selimut. Dengan demikian, kami tidak akan mengganggu Anda. Kami mohon maaf bahwa penyajian minuman panas akan dihentikan pada saat tanda sabuk pengaman dinyalakan. Peralatan elektronik bisa digunakan sekarang dalam modus penerbangan dan dengan Wi-Fi dinonaktifkan. Terima kasih.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your pilot speaking, giving you an update on the status of the flight. We are currently cruising at 34,000 feet, approaching the Indonesian airspace. In about 5 minutes, we will begin our descent for Jakarta. At the moment, we're expecting to land at 1921. That's 7:21 p.m. in the evening, and we should get you to the gate in another 5 minutes or so. A little bit on the weather. We can expect a cool evening with a light breeze and a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. There is a 1 hour time difference between Singapore and Jakarta. For passengers who like to adjust your watches now, the local time in Jakarta is 6:53 p.m. Once again, on behalf of Captain Sivalingam and the crew, I thank you for flying with Singapore Airlines, and I wish you a pleasant evening ahead. Cabin crew, please prepare for arrival. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, before our arrival in Jakarta, all passengers except Indonesian citizens must complete a disembarkation card, including one for each child or infant. All passengers are also required to complete a customs declaration form. If you are traveling as a family, only one form is required. If you are carrying more than 100 million rupiah or its foreign equivalent, please declare the amount on the customs declaration form. Thank you.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, sebelum kita mendarat di Jakarta, para penumpang selain dari warga negara Indonesia diharuskan untuk melengkapi formulir imigrasi termasuk bayi dan anak-anak. Bagi Anda yang bukan penduduk Indonesia, wajib melengkapi formulir pemberitahuan pabean. Jika Anda bersama keluarga, Anda hanya memerlukan satu formulir. Jika Anda membawa masuk atau keluar uang yang melebihi 100 juta rupiah atau senilai yang sama dalam mata uang asingnya, Anda harus menyatakan jumlah tersebut di formulir pemberitahuan pabean. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we are landing shortly, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and secure your tray table, handset and footrest. Window shades should also be drawn up. Please also ensure that your hand luggage is securely stored. Thank you.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, sebentar lagi kami akan mendarat. Silakan kembali ke kursi Anda. Kami mohon meja kecil, handset, dan penopang kaki dikembalikan ke tempat asalnya. Penutup jendela juga harus dinaikkan. Harap pastikan bahwa bagasi tangan Anda disimpan di kompartemen atas atau di bawah kursi di hadapan Anda. Semua peralatan elektronik harus dimatikan sekarang. Kami akan mematikan sistem hiburan Criswell. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and fasten your seatbelt. Secure your tray table, handset and footrest. Make sure your window shades are drawn up. All mobile phones and electronic devices, including laptops, must now be turned off. As a safety requirement, please also note where the emergency exits are located. We will be dimming the cabin lights for landing. Please note that the in-flight entertainment system will be automatically turned off upon landing. Thank you.
Gentlemen, Captain speaking. There is a fair amount of traffic into Jakarta this evening, and we've been asked to take up a holding position at our present position. Don't expect too much of a delay. We're looking at a further delay, about 5 minutes extra to our flying time. So a landing time of 7:25, and at the gate shortly thereafter. Just putting us slightly behind schedule. Do apologize for this, ladies and gentlemen. Please bear with us, and we certainly hope it does not in any way inconvenience you. Once again, thank you very much for your patience and understanding.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, silakan kembali ke kursi Anda, tegakkan kembali sandaran kursi, dan kenakan sabuk pengaman. Meja kecil, handset, dan penopang kaki dikembalikan ke tempat asalnya. Pastikan bahwa penutup jendela telah dinaikkan. Semua peralatan elektronik harus dimatikan sekarang. Kami ingatkan bahwa semua telepon genggam harus dalam keadaan tidak aktif. Demi keselamatan Anda, mohon perhatian lokasi pintu-pintu darurat. Sistem hiburan Criswell akan secara otomatis dimatikan saat mendarat. Terima kasih.
Stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened for landing. Thank you.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, silakan pastikan bahwa sabuk pengaman Anda telah dipasangkan dengan benar sebelum kita mendarat. Terima kasih.
Welcome to Jakarta, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is 7:30 in the evening. On Tuesday, the 21st of January. The temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. All mobile phones and other portable electronic devices must remain turned off until doors are opened, as advised by the local authorities. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. When leaving the aircraft, please take care when opening the overhead compartments and check that you have not left anything behind. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. It's been a pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, selamat datang di Jakarta. Waktu setempat menunjukkan pukul 7:30 malam pada hari Selasa 21 Januari. Suhu udara adalah 26 derajat Celcius, 79 derajat Fahrenheit. Silakan duduk di kursi Anda dengan menggunakan sabuk pengaman hingga tanda sabuk pengaman dimatikan. Semua telepon genggam dan peralatan elektronik portable lainnya harus dalam keadaan tidak aktif hingga pintu pesawat dibuka seperti yang disarankan oleh pemerintah setempat. Berhati-hatilah jika membuka kompartemen atas dan periksalah dengan teliti agar Anda tidak meninggalkan sesuatu di dalam pesawat. Jika Anda memerlukan bantuan di gedung terminal, silakan hubungi rekan kami di bandara. Kami dengan senang hati telah melayani Anda. Terima kasih karena Anda telah terbang bersama Singapore Airlines, anggota dari Star Alliance.
Thank you.